So would you buy a wet belt engine? That's the question I asked last week. Had absolutely loads of comments. And it's very interesting, it's very mixed, because people are saying wet belt engines are all over the country, every car's a wet belt, and other people are saying never touch one, no good. Got people saying they're absolutely amazing, long as you keep servicing them. Then got people saying I've serviced them and it's still broken. So, wet belt engines. If you were going to buy a car, because wet belt engines are a lot of cars now, they're not just Ford EcoBoosts, they are a plethora of cars. And I will give the list of these cars below. There is a lot of vehicles that you might not know have a wet belt on them. And people have gone, oh, and even Volkswagen. Some of the Volkswagen are actually wet belts. So, what do you do? How do you solve this? Is this done to make you maintain the car? Is this done so it breaks? Or is this just because we aren't looking after them properly? And actually, it's the maintenance that's the problem. Or are we just unlucky and we just focus on the negative? Not sure. Comment below. Do you think a wet belt engine is a good news or bad news? What do you think?